stagnated here. Nobody could touch him now. So he has to criticize him. Which manners? I think you might have said this is a small town since Independence Day. After 2004, our BRS government formulated the roads you are seeing, the bypass roads you are seeing, road dividers. When you are coming from here, there is a nursing college is there, agriculture polytechnic is there, agriculture degree college is there, medical college we got it. For this tier 3, tier 4 city, is it possible to get medical college? As you were saying earlier, we came from our Chandigarh. Like this town, is there any possibility to get a medical college? JNTU, Jawaharlal Nehru Technological University, Hyderabad is also opened here in Sirisila. So that people have got many more opportunities. Why? Because what the college...
So what things like you're saying nursing college, this KTR had a role to play in bringing nursing college.
Everything, that credit goes to...
Nursing college and what is agriculture?
Agriculture Polytechnic, Agriculture College for BSc Agriculture. Apart from this, those who are not quite aware of this education, there is an international driving school in collaboration with Ashok Leyland. This is the second to its kind. The one is there in Bangalore, the second is in Sirisila.
International driving school.
International driving school. If you learn driving and obtain a driving license,
you can drive anywhere.
And abroad, any country you can do. You know what is the importance of driving in other countries. In India, there may be license or not, whatever is there. Abroad, heavy driving license, the technicalities, everything they teach.
So this also KTR was...
After KTR only, this thing was there. There was a degree college which was formulated in 40 years back. This is Sirsila, that is Vimloda. In between there is a degree college. Now Sirsila itself owning medical college, degree college, everything.
Medical college hai?
Ji.
It started medical?
It started, yeah. 100 intake is there.
Is running already?
Yeah, yes. You can see in the second bypass.
Okay.
You can have the photographs. Not only for that, for
Medical college, private medical college or?
government. Each Telangana government formulated 32 districts. Previously there was 10 only. Now 32 districts are there. Each and every district, you can't even imagine that Kumaram Bhim, Asifabad, Muluk, small districts, very remote areas. There also government has established. In Telangana, the small 3 crore 17 lakh voters is there. 35 medical colleges are there. The outcome is 10,800 medical seats are there. From Telangana we are producing 10,800 in the next year. After 6 years, that will be there now. We are going to
Produced more than 10,000 doctors.
That means not only for Telangana this 10,000, all over India you earn. If you got any potential, whenever you can go.
Yeah, but like
the acquisition could not touch. They are unable to win on KTR. So they have to blame KTR. There is no employment. They won't say that industries has left. Before, what was the power situation?
power situation is much better now.
24-hour supply is there, not only for the industries. In agriculture also it is there. Previously it has 60,000 metric tons. Now it is 60 lakh metric tons produce of paddy. Now 3.4 metric tons. 3,50,000. 60
lakh metric ton.
Yes. Now 3,50,000.
Before
Telangana formulation. 24 hours supply uninterrupted we are giving.
Telangana
3.5. 3,50,000 million you can say.
था
पहले
3.5
60 लाख अभी 3,50,000 million ton metric tons sorry
66 million से
35 350 million
मतलब 35 million
60 lakh से 3,50,000 metric tons. This is agriculture potential. Industry, there was no power. Power holidays you are seeing. Many times, many way from when you are traveling across Delhi, in all states you will be seeing inverters.
हाँ inverters, हाँ.
generators
Oh, तो है.
for banks and commercial institutes,
हाँ.
they will be facing much more problem.
हाँ.
In Telangana now you can't see a generator. If you are going to see
हाँ.
in banks and everything, there is a formulation they have to obtain
हाँ.
in petrol pumps
हाँ.
and banks generator is there.
हाँ.
You go and ask how many hours in a month you are operating.
हाँ.
That is only the thing you will be very clearly knowing that.
हाँ, हाँ.
Banks are there, petrol bunks are there. There it is essential for generators. You ask them how many hours you are running in a month. That is a clear mandate. In Hyderabad. So after seeing all this, the power for agriculture, there is no fees, there is no charge, free hours we are supplying.
Agriculture
quality power, 24 hours we are.
Yeah.
So that only the figure is there, agriculture product. Not only that, apart from this, water is there. When you are coming to Sirsila, I have not seen. If you open your Google here, this location, you could see 27 TMC's water is there just behind this
Acha.
collectorate back side.
Okay.
After formulating these 33 districts,
हाँ.
you might have this collectorate now करोड़ का बजट है. सालाना 600 करोड़ का आर्डर सिलसिला में दिया जाता है. उससे लोगों को अच्छा सुविधा मिलता है, पगार भी अच्छा मिलता है.
ये किस
बाकी इससे क्या बोलने लगे, नेगेटिव एटीट्यूड जो स्प्रेड करते हैं, बदकम्मा को गिफ्ट में देते हैं,
अच्छा.
खैरात में दे देते हैं.
ओके.
1 करोड़ महिला जो है
हाँ.
उनको बदकम्मा दसरा
अच्छा.
फेस्टिवल में देते हैं साड़ी,
अच्छा,
गिफ्ट
साड़ी.
देते हैं
ओके.
सरकार की तरफ से.
हाँ.
और रमज़ान के टाइम पे भी तोहफा दिया जाता है.
अच्छा.
और क्रिसमस में भी.
हाँ.
और ये भी राजीव विद्या मिशन स्कूल का जो यूनिफॉर्म रहता है
हाँ.
वो इधर ही ऑर्डर करे. इससे पहले कोई भी नहीं दिया.
अच्छा.
अभी इसके जरिए 6 महीने का काम मिल रहा है सिलसिला में. अभी इसको पॉजिटिव में मैं बोल रहा हूँ, नेगेटिव में ये बोलता है कि 6 महीने का काम दिया, बाकी का 6 महीने का
बाकी 6 महीने
कोई
का.
सरकारी
हाँ.
काम 12 महीने के लिए तुम्हारे को देना सिलसिला में बोले तो टेक्सटाइल इंडस्ट्री पूरा है सर, केंद्र सरकार का ही दे रहे हैं.
हाँ.
बाकी राज्यों में भी कोई सरकार दे रहे हैं.
हाँ.
हम इधर 6 महीने का काम दे रहे हैं आपको,
हाँ.
उसको भी अच्छा नफा होते जैसे दे रहे हैं हम.
हाँ.
फिर बाकी 6 महीने नहीं बोल के तुम बोले. इससे पहले कौन देते थे तेलंगाना आने से पहले?
जी.
तो ऐसा मैं बोल रहा हूँ,
हाँ.
साहब के लिए क्रिटिसाइज करने के लिए कुछ नहीं रहा.
हाँ.
तो क्या बोल रहे 6 महीने का काम नहीं बोले तो बाकी का 6 महीने नहीं बोलते.
हाँ.
इंडस्ट्री को ही चले गए. कोरोना के बाद कुछ लोग प्रॉपर्टी बेच के गए, कुछ फैमिली दिख रहे भी नहीं. अपने दुख सुख के जरिए भी एक बात ध्यान दीजिए, कुछ लोग जाने के बाद अपन कोई दोस्त था रोजाना जाया करते, अभी वो बनने के बाद अपन कहाँ करते, जाना मिलना बंद हो जाए तो कहाँ चले गए किसको भी पता नहीं, रोज रोटी के लिए. ऐसा इधर भी कुछ हुआ होगा, उसमें ये लोग कोई मदद नहीं करे. हाँ ना, पूछना इंडस्ट्रीज मिनिस्टर जो है इंडस्ट्री, अभी हमारे पास भी सिंगल विंडो में क्लियरेंस आता है. वो हैदराबाद सराउंडिंग में आप देखिए कितना इंडस्ट्रीज आया, सॉफ्टवेयर का कितना डेवलप है. सॉफ्टवेयर बेंगलुरु को कॉम्पिटिट कर रहे हैं. बेंगलुरु कब से सॉफ्टवेयर में है, अभी 9 साल में नहीं. हमारे को सरकार बनने में ये IAS ऑफिसर पूरा नहीं थे, 1.5 साल उसी में गुजर गए. 2 साल कोरोना में चले गए. पूरा वर्ल्ड यानी कि 9.5 साल में 3.5 साल यानी कि 6 साल का प्रोजेक्शन है. पूरा 9.5 साल का नहीं हो सकता. You can think like this.
Yeah.
Is it fact or not?
Yeah. ठीक है.
To formulate new government, the IAS officer were there. There was no offices and everything.
Okay.
Even though we have crossed 1.5 years, in Corona 2 years, everybody has to face
Yeah.
very crucial time. So after dividing this 3.5 years in 9.5 years, only 6 years production is this one. You can check in the Google. What is the per capita income growth? What is the proper consumption? This is growth sign. How many units per annum?
Yeah.
Drinking water. Mission Bhagirath is there. Everybody is having water in their doorsteps.
अच्छा.
फिर और क्या doorstep? खोलना लेना.
तो सरकार का भी तो एक
जो हिंदी लेके कैरी करते थे वो सब चले गए. There has been your photographs only. Now you can't take a photograph now. You have to check from the archives, not in Sisala now.
अच्छा. Sisala.
Not Telangana, that's all, not only Sisala. Total Telangana.
Settled.
With a good majority, you can call me on 3rd evening. You will be, after seeing in your news what has happened. Public will be giving the mandate if you are happy. Not with the gossips and the social media memes or something what. It's not the proper. On 3rd evening you will be, however, nobody is going to.
How many seats you think
Pardon?
BRS is going to win?
Comfortably we will formulate the government. 70 is the comfortable. If you are seeing, I think, not only from Telangana, not only from your Delhi or North India, many more surveys are there. All are indicating 42% of votes we are going to get. BRS. Our Congress is going to get like 20 only. The respect is much more. One thing public will be thinking, this person is in politics from 1970s like that. He has became MLA first time in 1985. That means 38 years he has in politics, active politics. He was central minister, he worked as state minister, KCR sir. Now 9.5 years for him to get, it's not easy to get in state. With his fight only has formulated this. After, as you are seeing, Asu was there in Assam. They have formulated a government. How many years they were? MLA, MP, state minister, central minister. Now he is CM. That Revant Reddy, who is claiming that he is going to take oath on 9th December in Lal Bahadur Stadium.
9 December.
He is only MLA and MP now he is. He didn't got any, like by luck only has elected as MP. He defeated his own constituency as MLA. He doesn't have how to run the government. Not even in the cabinet itself. How will he run? This is game. Whatever our boss says, this Kamareddy and Nizamabad district to boost up the KCR.
To boost up BRS there.
That's it. You will see most of the seats we are going to get in Nizamabad. Not only now, if you see previous records, he used to contest as Lok Sabha member, Karimnagar. Then after Mehboob Nagar. After that Medak. लोकसभा चुनाव में थे, ये गजवेल में भी थे.
How long you were with him?
पढ़न
आप कितने सालों से हैं इनके साथ?
KTR sir से.
हाँ.
Since 2009. I was previously in Telugu Desam Party. In Alliance, I was महागठबंधन थे 2009 में. उसमें साथ को सपोर्ट किया, जिताया 171 वोट से. बाद में वो अच्छा लगा, वो विजनरी लीडर है KTR भी वैसे है. तो 2010 में BRS पार्टी में शामिल हो गए. अभी मैं BRS पार्टी स्टेट सेक्रेटरी हूँ.
BRS में स्टेट सेक्रेटरी.
कॉर्पोरेशन चेयरमैन.